What if one tool could handle both your hedges and grass hedges? Today we're checking out the Ogery 21V Cordless Hedge Trimmer, and it might replace two tools in your garage. So let's check it out and let's see how good it is. And this is what it comes inside of the box. This is the Ogery Hedge Trimmer, and it comes with a manual, 2 batteries, the plug to charge it, a longer trimmer. Alright, but be careful because the blades are sharp, but it comes with a plastic sleeve. And this is the hedge trimmer. It's amazing, and it comes with a sleeve here too to protect you from the blades because they are sharp. Just be very careful when you're using it. So it has 2 buttons here on the top. Press both of them and you can remove this one and change it with the longer one. And it has like a hole in here, and there's this tab. Put it inside there and press it like this and boom. That's how to change the trimmer. Also, one more thing, it has 2 buttons here on the top. These 2, press those and you can adjust the height for this one, the angle. That's cool too, right? And it has a safety button here. You have to press this one and then press this one here. So it's pretty cool. So let's test it. Let's cut some bushes from the house and let's see how good it is. And this is everything that comes inside of the box. Let's start with the hedge blade. Let's cut and trim these hedges. The 8.9 inches blade is perfect for shaping and trimming smaller hedges. It cuts clean and gives you good control, especially for detailed work. It is lightweight, easy to control, and doesn't wear out your arms. Perfect for quick jobs without dragging out heavy equipment. One safety note, the blades are extremely sharp, so always handle with care and keep your hands clear. And one cool thing is that it comes with 2 batteries, and if one battery dies out, you have an extra one, so that's great. And here you can see an example how it works. It works pretty good, so it's super easy to use. Now switching to the 5.1 inch grass blade to cut some grass edges. This is great for tight areas like around sidewalks, flower beds, or corners your mower can't reach. Super precise and easy to handle. And these are the top specs of the hedge trimmer. You can check them out here. Overall, this is a super practical combo tool, especially with the 2 blades and extra battery included. If you want to check it out, the link is in the description down below. If this video helped you out, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching, God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one.